expected riding this. Just gotta put this one in reverse.
It's so nice.
Put it backwards instead of front button. Birthday to you. Cheers. Good morning, and it's another beautiful day. And I can't believe we actually woke up only how many minutes ago. We just freshened up quickly just to see just to see the sunrise just from the Pacific Ocean. And then look, my uncle's actually up, and there's quite a bit of people that's up. Look, he's actually shocked that we're actually awake. You can't believe that we're awake now, huh, Titaron?
I'm surprised.
Oh, wow. So we're here this morning, waiting for the sunrise. Nice. Very nice. Oh, hold up.
Because of the crowd. It's like I wait until it goes up and up.
This is the outskirts of Baler. Bye bye, Baler. Oh my gosh, look at this one. This is, I was like, what the heck? I told you, you didn't believe me, I knew it. Whoa, it's huge. I never expected riding this.
Well, I can't believe it. This is what I'm talking about. Finally got to see
Alright, so we just had a quick stopover, Uncle, and pass through this amazing thing. Come here, guys, come here, come into Baler, come visit here, because you'll also check this one out. Oh jeez, look at that. Hey, and there's a saddle here too. You guys want to try it? Sit on it? Give it a go. Absolutely cool. Look at that artwork. Cool. Just gotta put this one in reverse. It's absolutely fucked here. Right here. They hit the top part. So they got no idea, but they gotta. But this one's gotta go backwards. But they gotta lift up the. It's gotta be reversed. You can see it? Yep. Here we go.
Bubuhatin natin.
What's the matter?
Around?
I'm thinking myself, yeah, just try like this.
Hell's no.
Like across the road. I'll show you like this one from here. There's a bridge.
This is really bad. So the driver hit really hard here. They took this bunker out. They went on top. They broke the steering. The steering column is gone.
Yeah, it's all gone. No, the tire is. So there's like no dummy tire or spare tire.
They said it's at the bottom.
Oh well, this should have done it ages ago. We're trying to move it with the hand when there's spare tire. put some ice. Oh, gotta put some ice. That's good enough.
You're saying it'll fit, it'll fit?
It'll fit.
Oh yeah! We just helped out and it worked. Oh my gosh, look, I'm borrowing the officer's bike. Any goodie let us borrow it. Woohoo!
Work. At least we get to it. I'm happy.
That's what I'm talking about. I would have put it backwards instead of front, but it did well. So thank you very much for all that. Great work to the Filipino guys. Very, very happy. Yeah, teamwork. Yeah, one of the guys' hand just got squashed. He didn't snap or anything, he just got squashed.
Really bad. Not fixed,
Almost done.
yeah, it's on the side.
The other side first. Take it away. That did the wrong, he hit that. Yeah. He hit there, and then we had to push it all the way to the top. He hit hard. That's the one.
That's the one. Oh, what about the passengers?
The passengers, they're all screwed down too. They'll have to wait.
Okay. We cannot fit them all, it's a micro van. It's really people's stupidity to do this actually, to make it single lane.
Absolutely. Look what happened. And did you see how he did so high? He hit. So most likely there's someone that's coming through, and then they're just like,
Yeah.
they hit.
Oh!
Okay, Ice Kitty's gonna do something. It's scary.
I'm reading the rosary.
Oh my gosh, she's actually reading the rosary now. Next time, look how big that Ferris wheel here. We're here in Pinaranda. Oh no, sorry, Gapan. This is Gapan. Ooh, there's a festival here too. Wow, I didn't expect this at all from Gapan. Oh, whoa. Well, the jellyfish lights too, and then there's plenty of street foods and all. Cool. What the heck? Ma, Auntie, what'd you do? Ma, Auntie? Tito's gotta be the one.
I was feeling it's the Sally.
What the heck?
Pig's eating apple. It's wounded as we try a bit of it. And then, happy 21st birthday, Auntie Yui.
Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Hooray! Hooray! Make a wish, make a wish, make a wish with one blow, not much saliva.
You want 5 tickets, yeah?
Woohoo! Time to eat! Oh, Auntie, you gotta cut the cake. You gotta cut the cake, Auntie.
Okay.
That's okay, Auntie. It's gonna be salty cake lechon. Yummy. Flavored lechon. Look at that cake. Nice. With the aunties. Cheers with the aunties. Peter on. Hold on. Auntie Larry. Where was Auntie Oyi? Sandali pa, Auntie. Sandali. Auntie, where's your one? Sandali. Cheers. Mag-cheers tayo. Happy birthday. Oh, cheers. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Auntie.
Happy New Year.
Okay, this is ube wine.
Great birthday!
Ube wine. Sige po, Tito. Is it strong? Yes, Auntie.
Alaya wine. That's
Auntie?
Uy, what I told you? What did I told you? Do not let your kids drink too much. He might not fall and jack up.
Yes. Ube wine. It's like let mom drink. Good job, Mom. Woohoo! Ube wine, made in the Philippines. Vegan City.
Dahalayan.
And the winner is... Can't wait, ready?
Again, after the
Speech.
Maraming salamat po.
Oh my gosh.
Thank you for this.
Such a winner.